Today in writing, I am going to model the Venn diagram. That is what you see here in front of you. That is with the two circles overlapping. And there is a middle circle or connecting part. The Venn diagram can be used to show how things are alike and different. If you remember, our target skill is to compare and contrast. We compare to tell how things are alike, and we contrast to tell how things are different. This week so far, you have heard the story My Family twice. My Family is informational text. And that is text that has given you information about a topic. And that topic has been Camilla's family. So far, you have heard and read information about a family. Today, we are going to use that information to help us fill in the Venn diagram. In My Family, children and adults both do some of the same things. Only a child or only an adult does other activities. On the left side of this Venn diagram, we are going to write the things that only the children do, such as play dress up. And on the right side, I'm going to write the things only the adults do, such as play the violin. And in the middle, I'm going to write the things that both the children and the adults do, such as play instruments. I got the information that I'm going to write down inside my Venn diagram from our weekly story, My Family. You will have the opportunity as well to fill in a Venn diagram. You will compare your family to Camilla's family. I will make sure that I provide a link to the Journeys textbook so you can go through and look at Camilla's family and compare the activities that Camilla's family does to the activities that your family does. Maybe there are some activities that you both do. Maybe there are some activities that are different. But right now, I am going to continue filling this in. I used the words and the pictures in the text to help me get my information. So first, I am going to write down what only the children did, the activities that only the children did. Paint pictures. Paint pictures. Also, the children dressed up. Now I'm going to go over to what the activities that the adults did. The adults played dominoes. And they told funny stories. Now, in this middle part, I'm going to write down what both the children and the adults did that was the same. They went fishing. If you remember the photograph of Camila and her dad fishing at what looked to be a very large lake or maybe even the ocean, that was something that a child and an adult did. They went fishing. Cooked dinner together. Because if you remember, at the very beginning of My Family, Camila talks about the fact that her and her mom both go to the same school because her mom is a teacher at her school. But when they come home, she likes to help her mom cook dinner. And there is a photograph of her and her mom cooking dinner together. Some of this information I got from words. Some of the information I got from photographs. That is because I used what the informational text gave me. Photographs and true information. So what I would like you to do is I would like you to use the Venn diagram that is in Seesaw, and there will be an option for you to compare and contrast your family activities to Camila's family's activities, and then maybe you'll be able to find something that you all have in common. What is something that you both do? Maybe there's more than one thing, and that will go right in the middle. This is how you can fill out a Venn diagram when you compare and contrast two items. Always using the middle part to talk about how they are the same.